Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much today for joining me for another daily update on the charts. I'm taking a look at Bitcoin today. I don't usually do Bitcoin itself because I usually just include it in the other videos, but I did want to focus on it today solely just because of the fact that it is at 44k, which is absolutely insane, isn't it? I don't even remember the last time that we were actually at 44k for Bitcoin. Let me just take a look at the charts to see the last time that we were at this level. I mean, where were we? Like, I mean, it's honestly, my brain is just like, it's been so long. The bear market has been so painful. You can see here, I mean, we're getting up towards massive make or break point here for Bitcoin. It's completely smashed through the 618 Fibonacci, which is usually a signal that the bull market has begun, in my opinion. As you can see, the last time, as I said, we were at 44k was basically as the bear market was beginning 2 years ago here. Almost 2 years ago. What is this, Tuesday? April 2022. Pretty insane. I mean, the price action right now for Bitcoin is like maximum pain for the bears. I mean, all those people that were like calling for 5k Bitcoin must be absolutely rolling over in their graves right now. They've already died and now they're basically suffering massively. You can see here, obviously, everyone's expecting, and myself to be honest, everyone's expecting Bitcoin here. Nice continuation of the bullish trend that we've been seeing. You can see here, obviously, ever since we came down and swept that low down here around 16k, everyone's panicking and going, oh, 5k Bitcoin's on the way. Massive reversal, broken out of the bear market resistance that we had here. You can see we broke out of the resistance, back tested it again, bounced to the upside, made another swing high. Nice little bit of grinding to the side, consolidation and ranging in this area here. You can see kind of starting to get a little bit stuck under the 100-day moving average as well. So people are starting to think, oh, maybe we're running out of steam, we're going to come back down and test lower. And then Bitcoin obviously does exactly the opposite of what people expect it to do most of the time. Has another nice move to the upside here, breaks through the Fibonacci level. It seemed like just yesterday this thing was at 33k and everyone was absolutely celebrating. And to be fair, they should have, because we had a long period of consolidation here again. Obviously, people getting bored. But, I mean, I was just sat there thinking, I'm so glad that Bitcoin's just consolidating around that 30k level. I thought it was pretty damn impressive and just really cool to see, really. And you can see, since then, we've just completely mooned, to be honest. We've ran all the way from 27k to 44k in the space of a month and a half, 6 weeks. I mean, it really does show you how fast this thing can move when it wants to. And obviously, as I said, when we got up into this area here and we're kind of grinding to the upside like this, and I was thinking the maximum pain scenario would be come up and touch the Fibonacci level here, sweep the liquidity out, and then come all the way back down here and retest. That's what I thought would most likely happen, considering all the options and all the, you know, the outcome of the data and what we're looking at. But realistically, the maximum pain scenario was actually just grinding to the upside and then just continuation of the mooning to the upside that we've seen here. You can see obviously it looked like we were starting to get a little bit, you know, bearish divergences coming in and stuff on the RSI, and then all of a sudden just basically the momentum just picked up again, smashed through the 618 Fibonacci here, which was sat at around 39, what was this, 39.2k here. And then since then it's just been basically just running and running because there's no resistance. Look at this chart, there's no resistance, there's nothing. There's literally, I mean, obviously there is resistance. There's this previous area of structure here. But just look at how this thing is just absolutely ripping up through these Fibonacci levels now. There's only really one more level here at 50k. 50k Bitcoin, when was the last time that we saw that? Jesus Christ. And then beyond that, you can obviously see the all-time high is the next resistance beyond that, which is up at, as we said, 69k. That is actually a complete meme that happens to be the all-time high for Bitcoin. You just really can't really play these things. It's just reality is stranger than fiction. Still got this massive big channel as well that you can see here on the daily time frame. I left this on my chart from years ago, but you can see here obviously the high, the low. You come back down for the low, retest the low with the COVID dump that we saw back here, basically with a bit of an overextension. We come back up, test the high. We didn't quite get back to the high here. And then obviously coming back down here, we didn't quite get back to the low. And now looking like we might be just going in. I mean, I don't want to say might be. I think we are in the bull market now after breaking that 618 Fibonacci and closing above it. And I mean, look how much we have started to move here for Bitcoin. Just completely smashed through this level here, closing above the 618 and just continuing again today with some more very, very bullish momentum. Looking like it's really starting to pick up some steam in this area here. As you can see, consolidation run, consolidation run, consolidation run. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens next. It is looking hella overextended right now, but you know, that really doesn't even matter with Bitcoin apparently. And you know, what did he say? The markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. And I think that is incredibly true. The bears are wrecked, everyone's happy. Altcoins are going to start moving very, very quickly once people start rotating out of Bitcoin. The bull market is pretty much upon us, I do believe. And happy days. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Indeed, like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.